Hello everybody, I'm Christopher. This is my daughter Charlotte. Say hi, Charlotte.
Hi.
Today is the 1st of October. It's a Friday, 2021. Welcome back for a quick gardening tour. We're just gonna jump right in. Still some Mexican sunflowers that the late pollinators are enjoying. The beans are, obviously they're done. I just need to clean these up. I'll pick all the rest of the kale and the chard for us a couple smoothies before the next video. Charlotte and I picked all the potatoes that were there. And the same goes for over here. Picked all the potatoes. And over here, we picked all the tomatoes and got rid of the ground cherries and things. Behind that, these are the zinnias that I sowed in the middle of the summer, for a nice fall crop. I should have just done it everywhere. What a lazy bum. But these are beautiful. There's no point in any of these cabbages. Maybe this one. This one actually has a proper head. Otherwise, failure. Failure everywhere. I'm so disappointed. So disappointed. But at least the Mexican sunflowers are pretty. And speaking of sunflowers of any kind, behold the Jerusalem artichokes in full bloom. And look at this. Here's one that fell down. But look what was behind that leaf. Oh, big bumble. See, it's the beginning of October and we still have pollinators and they still need food. And that's why plants like this are so important, because not a whole lot is necessarily flowering at this time. But you can see I've got these beautiful yellows everywhere and they're easily 10 feet, right? My reach is 9 foot straight up and they're all above that. And these are kind of bending still, so they're definitely 10 feet tall. You can see over here, these are the ones that I randomly threw out into my compost over there, and whoof, they've taken off. The asparagus bed here, Charlotte, point to the asparagus. That's right. Thank you, Professor. The asparagus bed here, I will just cut down once all of them brown like this in another probably 3 weeks or so. My big old rhubarb here, I can do a fall picking on this. And then I need to split them. They're old enough to be split. Maybe by the next time we have a video, I'll start in on my raspberry thinning project. It's going to be cut the tops and thin out the insides of a lot of them. I've got creeping grapevine going across here that needs to be pulled. This scraggly tree that I let grow needs to be pulled. So clean up. So here, this is the end of the tomatoes that we picked today. These plus that one cabbage. That's really the end of the food in the garden. Did you have a fun year gardening with me?
Yeah.
I did too. What was your favorite part about the garden? Tomatoes, because they're right in front of you. Makes sense. I liked all the different flowers and things. That was special and new. Thanks for helping me plant everything this year and grow it. That was very rewarding.
Thanks.
Yeah. The glasses are for, it's homecoming for my wife's school that she teaches, so we're dressing up too. Anyways, I hope you've had fun in the garden. I'll have maybe one or two, but the season is done. Hope things went well with you. Thanks for sticking along. Let me know what your successes and failures were. I already know almost exactly what I'm going to do next year, and I'm very excited for it. As we're pulling things out, you get ready for the spring.
Carrot.
You see another carrot? Well, how about that? Always wonders in the garden. Take care, guys. Happy growing. Bye.